Very good afternoon student. Already we are revised lesson 1 geography, short answers, distance between and detail. Today we are going to revise that answer in paragraph. The question 1, explain the division of northern mountain and its importance to India. The answer, the northern mountains are youngest and loftiest mountain chains in the world, and it stretches for the distance of 2500 km from Indus Gorge in the west of the Brahmaputra Gorge in the east. So major division of the northern mountains are what is the Trans Himalaya, Eastern or another Purvanchal Hills. This all want to explain and write. The first, the Trans Himalaya. What is the place will be lies in the Trans Himalaya, Jammu and Kashmir and Tibetan Plateau. It is also another known as Western Himalayas. The aerial extent more than in the Tibet, and along with this is called the name of Tibetan Himalayas. Next, we want to explain the Himalayas. It's from the uplifted comparison of Tennessee due to the tectonic forces the moving there. It has three parallel ranges. What are Greater Himalaya, Lesser Himalaya, Outer Himalayas. The Greater Himalayas name they call Himatri and Himachala Swakis. So this all will be along with the explanation you want to write. So the Greater Himalayas are Himatri, the Lesser Himalayas are Himachal, the Outer Himalayas are Swakis. And next is the Eastern Himalayas are the Purvanchal Hills. The Eastern Himalayas, offshoots of Himalayas, most of these hills are located along with the border of what is the place, India and Myanmar. Some important hills are this Patakai, Bom and Naga Hills, Manipur Hills, etc. So collectively this all hills is called the Purvanchal Hills. What's the important is that the forms of natural barrier of subcontinent. Source of the many perennial rivers will be started here this place, such as what is the important rivers, Indus, Ganges and Brahmaputra. Paradise of the tourists, how they will be attract, what is they will attract nature beauty. Renovated of the rich biodiversity. Many hill stations and pilgrim centers are like Amarnath, Kedma, Badrinath and Vaishnavi Devi temple are located. Natural climatic barrier prevents the cold winds from Central Asia, blocks the southwest monsoon winds and causes heavy rainfall to North India. And question 2, given account on major peninsular rivers of India. The answers or the rivers in South India are called the peninsular rivers. Most of the rivers originate from what is the place, Western Ghats. They are all seasonal rivers, is a non-perennial. They have large seasonal fluctuation in the volume of water as they are slowly fed by rain. These rivers flow in the valleys and steep gradient. So based of the direction, and peninsular rivers are divided in the west flowing and east flowing. What is the river? They are divided west flowing and east flowing. The east flowing rivers, Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri, and these all rivers are the what's the place they flowing, east flowing rivers, along with the which places started, how, what is the length, all the explanation along with you want to write this river. And next is the west flowing rivers, what are available, Narmada, Tapati and Tapti, and this all rivers along with where it is originated, how many tributaries are there, you want to write with the explanation in this rivers. And third question, give a detailed account on the basin of Ganga. What is the basin of Ganga? The Ganga river system is the largest drainage system of India. The river Ganga, how many kilometers long? 2480 kilometers long. The rivers will be started Gangotri glacier in the Himalayas at the height of 6000 meters. It cuts a deep gorges through the Swaki range and plain of Haridwar. The Ganga plains occupies an area about 3,37,000 covering the states of what is the states and they cover Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and West Bengal. The river Yamuna rises Yamotri glacier after flowing the distance of how many? 1300 km. It joins what is the river along the joint? Ganga. The river Sampal, Bedwa, Sun and Ken rise the Deccan Plateau and join the Ganga and it is the right bank. So along with all the explanation you want to write in the Ganga rivers. To study this all clearly for monthly test. Thank you student.